Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to integrate Shopify with Printify. We'll cover the essential steps to link your online store with a leading print-on-demand service. This integration allows you to offer a wide range of custom products without managing inventory. You can focus on design and marketing, letting Printify handle production and shipping directly to your customers. It's a streamlined approach for building your brand. First, set up your Printify account. It's a straightforward process. Once registered, navigate to the My New Store section within Printify. From there, you'll find the option to connect to Shopify. Alternatively, search for the Printify app in the Shopify App Store and install it. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection, granting Printify necessary permissions to manage products and orders in your Shopify store. This usually takes less than 5 minutes. With your stores connected, it's time to create products. Browse Printify's catalog, which features over 900 customizable items like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Choose a product, then use the mock-up generator to upload your designs and see how they look. Select your preferred print provider, set your retail price, and then publish the product. It will appear in your Shopify store, ready for customers to purchase. Once a customer places an order on your Shopify store, Printify automatically receives it. You'll see the order status update in your Printify account, from processing to shipped. Printify handles production, quality control, and direct shipping to your customer. This automation frees you to focus on marketing, customer service, and expanding your product line. Continuously analyze your sales data to identify bestsellers and scale your successful print-on-demand business.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.